Oh, YouTubers, this is Adolsim. Yeah, I have a review on Go-Go's Crazy Bones. Okay, so I'll just play them. This is series 1, I think, or series 3 of an R. I don't know his name. Is a girl, I think. I know this one's name is Blutan. Pitsy. Um, I think this one is Iron Man. Iron Man. It's look like a flashlight. Okay, I'll display it here. Just see. Okay, there's Blutan. So I like this one because it appeared on a commercial. This one also Blutan, and this one. Oh, this is Mo Elephant. You see, there's numbers there. A thin elephant. I think this one has a note. This one is has backflip. A headstand is doing a headstand. Let's see, headstand. If this is the thing, if it's headstanding, and if you turn this body, it looks like a bear. Look, it looks like a bear. But if you switch it to go-go mode, it's backflipping. The go-go's is backflipping. Go-go is backflipping and turn to bear. So done. This one looks like a toon cartoon. I like this one because my first go-go's are this. This three is my first go-go's. I collected go-go's since I was 11. Pluton, I like this. And there's King. I like this one also. This is the one that my classmates stole from me because we're trading go-go's and I forgot my go-go's in my classroom and they stole it. But I get it back. And this one also. Oh, bronze metallic go-go. And I have other go. This is my go-go's. One. Okay, I'm gonna show you my go-go's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, I keep it here in a pencil case. Smurf's pencil. Papa Smurf looks like a bitch. So that's why I keep there my go-go's. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.